In today's video, I'm going to teach you bank reconciling in Xero, how to reconcile your bank account in Xero, 5 minutes. Reconciling in Xero is all about matching the bank statement lines coming in from your feed with the right accounts in your books. Done well, it keeps your reports accurate and saves hours at month end. Let's walk through it clearly and efficiently. Start by opening Xero and logging in. Click Login, enter your email and password, and sign in. If you're prompted for multi-factor authentication, complete that to proceed. Once you're in, go to the dashboard. On your bank account tile, choose Reconcile items. This is where Xero shows your imported bank statement lines. To speed things up, switch to cache coding. Cache coding gives you a fast spreadsheet style view so you can code many similar lines at once with just a few clicks. Think of it as bulk processing without losing control over accuracy. Next, sort your transactions. You can sort by description to group similar merchant descriptions together, which is helpful for recurring charges like software subscriptions or utilities. Alternatively, sort by payee to group by the vendor or customer name. Choose the view that clusters your duplicates or frequent items most clearly. Now tick all the transactions that are the same. Before selecting, glance at the amounts and dates to make sure they truly belong together. Small differences can indicate fees, partial payments, or refunds, so only select items you're confident match the same type of spend or receipt. With those items selected, choose the correct account code. Pick the income or expense account that best describes what the transaction is for, such as office expenses, software, or sales. If your organization uses tax rates or tracking categories, confirm those are correct as well. Consistent coding here keeps your profit and loss clean and your tax reporting accurate. When you're satisfied, click Save and Reconcile selected. Xero will apply your choices to all the lines you ticked. If a confirmation appears, click OK to finalize. That's the core workflow. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep an eye on the running bank balance to spot anything unusual. Use sorting to batch process the biggest groups first. And if something looks off, leave it unchecked for now and handle it individually later from the main reconcile screen. Finally, avoid sharing login details and only reconcile what you can verify. And that's how to reconcile your bank account in Xero quickly using cache coding. Follow this flow regularly, and your books will stay accurate with minimal effort.